What if one missing solar site detail could delay your entire installation project due to manual data collection and disconnected reports? With real-time visibility powered by MAPOG mobile data collection, field teams can capture solar survey data directly from site locations, whether it's rooftop inspection, shading analysis, or installation feasibility. Everything is instantly synced to a centralized dashboard, helping you make faster and smarter decisions. First, collect all your solar site data and store it in an Excel or CSV file. Then log into story.mapog.com and open the MAPOG dashboard. Go to the Survey section and under Mobile Data Collection, click on Create New. Now enter details like survey name, description, project type, duration, and frequency, whether it's a one-time survey or recurring. This sets up your project structure. Next, go to the Location Type dropdown and click Create New. Name it Solar Site Assessment to show and store attributes in the map. Choose Point Geometry and assign a color. Now add attributes like address and building type using select or multi-select formats. Also, enable contributor access so field teams can update data directly from the site. Now save it. Then select this template from the drop-down and now allow settings for the users so they can add and edit location on site. Then save and continue. After that, move to the Add Question section. Here, add questions like surveyor name or rooftop area, using formats such as text, select, multi-select, and image upload. For select type questions, simply click on Manage Options, add your choices, and save. These questions will be filled during the survey, ensuring consistent and accurate data collection. Then click Next. Now upload your prepared Excel or CSV file using Add New Location by uploading CSV/Excel. Make sure each point has a unique ID to avoid duplication. Match columns with attributes, assign coordinates correctly, and submit. All your locations will instantly appear on the map. Next, go to the Add User section. Add members through email address and assign their role, such as admin or others. Now select members from drop-down and invite them by clicking Invite. Assign locations to users. Using the Map option, draw polygon boundaries to allocate survey areas to specific assignee. You can also use color coding for clarity. Additionally, use the Filter option to sort points based on attributes or assignment status. This becomes very useful when working with large datasets. Once everything is ready, go to Draft section and click Start Survey. Now field teams can open the MAPOG contributor app, view assign locations. Then if there's any new suitable location, you can add them with the Add Location option. Search and confirm site location. After that, add details like name, description, and upload images. Fill attributes and save. Then self-survey with collected data of roof condition or shading and upload site images and either save drafts or submit directly from the field. Meanwhile, managers can track progress from the Overview dashboard. In Data Table section with the Filter option, they can filter out location with status and assignee and view submitted data. In the Review section, admins can check submissions, approve or reopen tasks if needed, add comments, and finalize records. You can also export the data as CSV for further analysis in the Overview section. And if needed, open the survey data in the Map editor to visualize it in a new or existing map. You can also check submissions by clicking By Status option. If you need help with data upload, map analysis, or GIS solutions, feel free to contact support at mapog.com anytime.